Dear student, Unit 2, Kingdom Animalia. It is characterized by eukaryotic multicellular heterotrophic organism. 35 phyla. In this, 11 are major phyla. In this, 99% of animals are invertebrate and the remaining are vertebrate animals, 30% of backbone. Basic of classification. Common features cell layer, organization, coelom, present absence of segmentation and not occurred. Level of organism, tissue to form organ system. Tissue level organization. Animal cell similar function to form tissue. Tissue level exhibit triploplastics. Example, Cnidarian. Organ level of organism. Different kind of tissue aggregate to form organ system. Example, first phylum, Platyhelminths mothers. Organ system level of organization. Air cells, sensor cells coordinate to function called as organ system. Digestive system we found in Platyhelminths. Single opening, both mouth and anus same. It's called incomplete digestive system. From masculine to caudate to form all animals to have two opening, mouth and anus for complete digestive system. Circulatory system, open and closed. Open absence of capillaries. Arthropoda, mollusca, ectodermata. Closed, presence of capillaries, artery, veins. Example, annelida, vertebrate, subcala, triploplastic. Arrangement of embryonic layer. 2. Triploplastic. Outer ectoderm, inner mesoderm. In between two layers called mesoglea. Triploplastic. Ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. 3 layer. Ectoderm to form skin, hair, nail. Mesoderm form muscle, bone, cord. Endoderm form gut, lungs, liver. Example, platform to chordata. Patterns of symmetry. Asymmetrical. They do not have display symmetry. Example, snail, sponges. They cut into two gobs. They did not form the same size. Radial symmetry. Central axis divided into two identical parts. See anemone. Pendamerous radius symmetry. Biplan of symmetry. Example, starfish. Biradial symmetry. The only two plan of symmetry. Example, ctenophores. Bilateral symmetry. Two gobs to form insect.